Organizing every room in your home may feel like a lofty goal, but with the right strategy, your entire home can be organized. These ideas from IKEA might just be the answer to your organizing resolutions. 1. Get creative with storage for small spaces. Shrinking homes with little dedicated storage mean we need to keep adapting our storage solutions. Every nook is an opportunity. Here, wall-mounted shelving, a trolley on wheels, and different-sized baskets make the most of an awkward space. 2. Use your doors to store. We feel most at ease with guests in our kitchen when it's tidy. Rails and hooks are a great way to boost storage and organization. Try thinking beyond your wall space and put your doors to work too. 3. Embrace open storage. Many of us would benefit from homes that are clutter-free but filled with things we love. Resist the temptation to hide everything in boxes. Organized open storage can make it easier to find what we love and use often. 4. Streamline your hallway. It takes most of us over an hour to leave the home after waking up. A handy hallway shelf, here the brackets have been painted white and hooks have been added underneath, might just make getting out the door a bit easier. 5. Combat cabinet clutter. Storage boxes with handles are perfect for organizing a cleaning cabinet. Not only will you tackle a problem area, you may also boost your well-being. The act of cleaning and tidying can promote a feeling of mental presence. 6. Hang your outfits. Did you know that 58% of Shanghainese pick out clothes for the following morning the evening before? An open hanging rail may be just the thing you need to make your morning dressing routine run more smoothly. 7. Use closed storage to your advantage. Too much clutter in the living room can make it hard for us to relax. So, on an open bookshelf, try mixing in shelf inserts and boxes to hide away small or messy things that you need but don't want to see. 8. Categorize extra party utensils and decor. Plastic containers are a great way to store extra party utensils and materials for entertaining. Instead of dumping them all in one container labeled party utensils, divide them into categories. This allows you to find what you need quickly. 9. Use tilted shelves for a shoe wall. Tilted shelves are a great way to organize your shoes. These shelves help shoes neatly placed, preventing them from slipping and sliding. All shoes are visible at once, and it makes it very easy to grab which pair you need. Tilted shelves can be installed in your closet, or, if you are a shoe enthusiast, create a shoe wall such as the one above. 10. Use a track system for the garage. Track systems come in different forms, but they all have a horizontal track with different ways to hold items vertically. They often have hooks or clips which allow you to effortlessly hang many items you need at a garage. Shovels, brooms, bikes, ladders, cords, and rakes are all products that can benefit from this system. 11. Decorative backsplash rack. Backsplash racks offer easy access and stylish storage. Most versions take just a few minutes to install. Backsplash racks have a few disadvantages though. All your kitchen utensils have to look good since they're on display. 12. Closet nook shelves. Salvage the hidden space at the recessed ends of your closets by adding a set of wire shelves. Wire shelves are available in a variety of widths. Measure the width and depth of the space. Then choose the correct shelving and ask the salesperson to cut the shelves to length for you. 13. Option for a Murphy bed with built-in storage. Murphy beds are really ahead of the home organization space-saving curve, especially ones that incorporate shelving and cabinetry. They optimize floor space and are perfect for any home, especially studio apartments.